I found live blue crabs at our Asian supermarket and bought a few pieces to make Cajun seafood. This dish is one of our favorites, but it can get pretty pricey at restaurants. I prefer to cook it at home, and I'm excited to share the easy recipe with you. I usually steam the crabs instead of boiling so they don't get too watery and lose their juices. I also steam baby potatoes and corn on the cob to extend servings. Once they're steamed, I just toss them in the Cajun sauce along with the seafood to infuse flavor. I was happy to find cooked mussels at our neighborhood grocery store as it meant one less thing to pre-cook. The heart of this easy recipe is butter and garlic. Lots and lots of butter and garlic. I used about 1 cup or 8 ounces of butter and added a little bit of olive oil to stabilize it. For best results, add the garlic while the butter is still warm and partially melted. This way, you'll have more time to draw out the flavor and aroma before the garlic browns. If the butter and oil are too hot, the garlic can burn and taste bitter. Cajun seasoning mix is available at most stores, but you can easily make your own using garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, chili powder, and thyme. You can add as much or as little of the seasonings as you like according to your taste. When the shrimp has changed color and is almost cooked, add the remaining ingredients and toss to evenly coat with the garlic butter mixture. Cover the pan occasionally to lock in heat. Cajun seafood is easy to make yet packs bold flavors. You'll love that buttery, garlicky sauce over steamed rice. Get your apron on and enjoy!